Hello and welcome to this lecture. And in this lecture, we're going to talk about the importance of making your first sale. So I don't want to sound like Captain Obvious here, but you need to make a sale. Your entire business depends on it. In fact, your entire future business depends on it. If you have any hope of being in business, it depends on you making your first sale. It's your primary duty as a business owner to drive revenue. In fact, there is nothing more important in your business. You're going to hear me say that a lot more in this course, but your primary responsibility as the business owner is to drive revenue. And that starts with sales, and that starts with your very first sale. So with that in mind, I hope that you're comfortable with selling. If not, you might as well close this course right now. The reason being, it's that important. You just won't be able to magically get clients. You won't be able to magically watch money stream into your bank account. You need to sell. And this means talking with real people that have a real need for what you have to offer. The great thing about all this, if you're getting scared now about me talking about selling, the great thing about all of this is that you're selling a solution which really helps business owners. This is not selling snake oil or anything like this. This is selling a valuable service that real business owners, real human beings are willing to pay you real money for. And so also another thing to consider, you're selling for yourself. If you're like me, I'm okay at selling when I worked for a company or whatever. I'm okay. But there was something always in the back of my mind that made me just a little upset that I was making my boss more rich or the owner of the company more rich and not necessarily myself. And so when you go into business for yourself, you're selling for yourself. You're literally making yourself more rich through your own sales efforts. And that'll be increased once you get a sales team on board and a staff of salespeople that are going to be then in that position of helping you and your company drive more revenue. So another thing that you need to think about is that you need to sell quickly to get proof that this really works. You need to see that you can do this and that you can scale it to a big company. Making the first sale will give you the confidence that you need to be able to make a go of it. And it's also important, here's another, and this is another very key important piece to remember. If you have a significant other, or a wife or a husband who is watching you and wants you to succeed but is maybe a little cautious about this, this will be very important, especially if you have a family that's depending on you. So making this first sale will first of all prove to you that it works. You have a proven system. It worked once, it can work again. All you need to do is get more clients. So it'll also prove to yourself, and it'll prove to those who are close to you and may depend on you for income. So that's it with the importance of getting your first sale. I know I beat to death the sales concept, but you're in business for yourself. You've got to hustle. You've got to make it happen. And fortunately, this is a great business to be in. There's actually no better business that I can think of to be in where business owners are so hungry to sign up and to make sure that their online marketing is happening. Okay, we're going to talk about more about getting that first client in the next lecture.